some other companies promote their liposomal delivery of some nutrients. Is this a more effective way, or is this not up to the hype?
This is marketing. When we talk about liposomal products, the premise is that other products, the non-liposomal products, have low bioavailability. In contrast, by evidence and experience and report, the design of PERQUE products omits many interfering substances like binders, fillers, flowing agents, excipients, dicalcium phosphate, etc. Compared to those inferior work-alike products that don't work and may be contaminated, liposomal products actually are better. Compared to PERQUE products, liposomal products are not in the same league as PERQUE. Why? PERQUE is 100% active. When you talk about liposomal, you're talking about taking a nutrient, putting it into a droplet, hopefully a small one, a little liposome, made up of something like fat or lecithin or glycerol or something, or plastic sometimes. Not recommended. The liposomal process means that half or more of the product is going to be the carrier, the liposome, the magic little droplet. Now, I'm a biochemist. I used to make liposomes in my lab. I respect them. It's hard to make them, although you can make them commercially. They are commercially available. Although, one of the things I have noticed is that the liposomal companies will tell you kind of the size of their tiny little droplets when it's manufactured. But they don't tell you what the size of the droplets are when you take them. And I'm pretty sure that liposomes in most situations break down, and they break down to big droplets that are not tiny and are not well taken up and can be irritating. So liposomal is well marketed today, well hyped, but it's a passing fashion that with a little bit more time, people will realize that compared to terrible, liposomal is better, but compared to a quality standard like PERQUE, not in the same league. I would like to make a point about why PERQUE has pioneered and continues to develop micellized soft gels. Now, micellization, from a practical point of view, micellization means taking a very specialized form of lecithin that is rich in phosphatidylcholine, known as PC, phosphatidylcholine, a quaternary amine with a tail that's just the right size to fit in the right place where it's needed. So micellization is a process of enhancing the uptake and directing the delivery where the nutrients are needed. And that's why PERQUE uses micellized soft gels, not to be confused with any other form.